How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock chats on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just select the chat that you want to lock on WhatsApp. And now here, once you've found the chat, you can simply long press it and select it. And here, once you've done that, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, you can just tap on this option that says lock chat. And now here, with that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on continue, and there you can simply select a secret code to lock your chat. So here you know how you can open it when you want it to be continued on your chat. Now here, once you have selected your secret code, you can just tap on continue, and that's it. With this, your chat is logged on WhatsApp. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.